Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I have my box from Misfits today. They have this rewards thing now. Have you seen it? Remember the last video I did? I said that there was really no difference between the subscription and a la carte. Well, there is. I figured out what it is. If you do the subscription where you get something every week and they pick it, but you can change it, you get rewards. I haven't gotten any rewards that I can redeem for anything yet. I'm wondering if any of you have. What do you think of it? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. As you know, this is not sponsored. I paid for everything in this box. Let's get it open and find out what's inside. Still no Climacel. It's still just, what is it called? Renew Liner. That's the brand. This is, oh, they used two of them. Look, two. But the ice pack is not on top of it. I mean, so this is in great shape, both of them, but the ice pack's not here. Hopefully there's an ice pack in here because it's hot outside. Baby spinach. This is organic Earthbound Farms. It's good for 2 weeks. Happy with that. 2 bunches of broccolini. I love broccolini so much, and I love to make pasta with it instead of broccoli. I'm not as big of a fan of broccoli as I am broccolini. How do you guys feel about it? Let me know. What's your preference, broccoli or broccolini? Or neither? Some plums. Look at this. This is a lot of plums. These are beautiful. So happy. And we've got some apricots too. Oh, and stay with me until the end because I'm going to tell you what everything costs. I just can't multitask, so I have to do that at the end. These look good. I'm so happy to have this fruit. Oh no. Last time my zucchini was really good. This time the zucchini is a little chewed up from the way it was packaged. It looks like it got eaten by my flax milk. Oh well. So we got the flax milk too. And it's covered with broccolini and zucchini. Some celery, and this is nowhere near as nice as the celery that I got like maybe a month ago. I got a huge thing of celery. This is good, but it's not as good as that was. A cucumber, and I love to slice these up and put them in water. I also slice them up and take them with me in the car so I can eat something when I'm on my way from one rink to the other. And then we've got some nectarines. The pits are the pits. I found that when I bite into them, the pits split in half, and I've never had that happen before with nectarines. So I'm wondering, have you guys had that problem? This is what they look like, by the way. Have you experienced that with the Misfits nectarines? Leave me a comment. Some carrots. This is another thing I slice up and take with me in the car. I actually spend more time driving than I do teaching sometimes. And then we've got limes, 4 limes. They look fine. I'm not sure if they were what they call the small limes, but we'll check that receipt. Some chickpeas, so I can make some hummus that I can take with me with the vegetables that I cut up and eat in the car. Oh, these are kind of smushed. They put these on the bottom. Some tomatoes, and they were put at the bottom. Why? Why would you do that? Wild rice. This is the Lundberg. It's not organic, but it says sustainable. I don't know what that means. Is it non-GMO? Yes, it is non-GMO, but it's not organic. Some romaine shoved on the side, but it looks good. We've got some very large lemons, 2 large lemons. And now we've got our cold pack. There is actually no ice pack in here. I guess they're using the cold pack as the ice pack.
No, 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 no!
This is completely sealed.
Huh?
It makes it really difficult to open. I'm not sure how you're supposed to open this. There's really no good way to do it. What is happening here? Do you guys know another way to do this? There's a second bag in there. I mean, they're doing a good job with the cold stuff, I guess. My hot dogs are frozen. Yay! These are grass-fed, uncured beef hot dogs, and they are organic, and they're actually really good, and the price is reasonable. I think it was under $5, but I'm gonna go through that receipt in a minute, and we'll find out. I got all my yogurt, because you guys know I practically live on yogurt. How many is this? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 yogurts. And then I ran out of milk, so I got some milk. Some blue cheese. I made a Cobb salad with this a couple weeks ago. It was so good. I think I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna get that receipt now. I forgot to show you what all this looks like. Okay, my sink is pretty full. There's a lot of stuff. I've got this stuff over here. And then we've got all the yogurt. I'm kind of bummed out about those tomatoes though. The chickpeas were $1.79. The baby spinach was $3.19. The flax milk was $2.99. The organic rainbow carrots, which actually look good. I mean, these look better than what we've gotten recently because they're in a bag. They were $1.39. That's a good deal. The wild rice was 1 pound for $3.99. That's awesome. I'm placing an order with Thrive. I think I might have put some wild rice in there and I'm gonna have to take it out because this was a better price. The yogurts, I got 5 2-count, so that's 10, and we counted them. We did get 10 for $19.95. So it's $2 a yogurt. This is organic yogurt, in case you haven't seen it before. The milk was a quart, right? Is this a quart? Yes, a quart, or 32 ounces for $2.99. That's a good deal for organic milk. The blue cheese crumbles were 4 ounces for $2.99. The hot dogs, they were under $5, 10 ounces for $4.99, and they're organic grass-fed. The nectarines were 2 pounds for $4.99. The plums were 2 pounds for $4.99. The organic apricots were 1 pound for $4.99. The cucumber was $1.29. The celery was $2.29. The zucchini was $2.80. But I am gonna let them know that it didn't arrive in the best condition. It was 2 zucchinis, but they're kind of beat up. The broccolini, or what they call baby broccoli, it was $6.98 for 2 bunches. The romaine hearts were 3 count for $4.59. The tomatoes that were also, oh, I gotta remember, they were crushed. I mean, they look okay, but they were under everything. Not the best place to put tomatoes. Those were $1.99. That's a good deal for organic tomatoes. Are they organic? They're not organic. Tricky Misfits. You know, I don't like this, that Misfits offers conventional items, because this is the first time I've messed that up. The tomatoes were not organic.
No.
It's really easy to do that by mistake. Pay attention, don't be like me. Pay more attention to what you're ordering and make sure that what you're ordering is organic. The small limes are organic. There were 4 for $2. The lemons are large lemons, 2 for $2. So my total was $83.18. Shipping was $6.99, and my grand total was $90.17. Misfits says that's a savings of $24.44, and I've earned 166 points. I'm not sure what that means yet. I'm sure we'll find out at some point in a future video when I'm able to redeem the points. I think this is a good deal. What do you think? Was this worth it? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Let me know what your experience with Misfits has been. What your favorite produce delivery service is that offers organic. Leave that all in the comments. I'd love to know. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with somebody else that wants to buy organic vegetables and groceries and save money at the same time. Just post it to your social media too. I post videos every week. At least one of those is always an unboxing. So remember to subscribe and ring that bell so that you never miss a video. This is Amy. Thank you for watching. I will see you real soon. Happy eating. Bye.